What if I told you that making $100 in just 5 minutes is actually possible, and many people are doing it online every single day? No scams, no complicated skills, just smart use of opportunities. Stay with me until the end, because the third method can even make more than $100. Now let's talk about how you can realistically make $100 fast. Sell a digital product. The first way is selling a simple digital product. For example, an ebook, a study guide, a resume template, a set of social media templates. These take time to create once, but after that, you can sell them instantly. Let's say you sell a template for $10. You only need 10 buyers to make $100. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip allow you to upload a digital product and start selling immediately. Once someone buys it, the system automatically delivers the product. That means you can literally earn $100 within minutes if multiple buyers purchase. Flipping items online. The second method is called online flipping. Here's how it works. You buy something cheap and sell it quickly for a higher price. People do this every day with Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Craigslist. For example, someone sells a used chair for $20 because they want to get rid of it quickly. You buy it, clean it, and list it again for $120. If it sells the same day, you just made $100 profit. Many people turn this into a full-time business. Freelance microtasks. The third way is freelancing simple tasks online. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer allow you to offer services like writing, logo design, video editing, voice recording, translation. Some freelancers charge $100 or more for a single small job. For example, a YouTube script $50 to $150, a logo design $100+, a short video edit $100+. Once you have a profile and clients trust you, one order can easily make $100 in minutes of work. Now, let's be honest for a second. Making $100 in 5 minutes doesn't mean zero effort. Most of the time, you spend time setting things up first. But once everything is ready, sales, clients, or flipping deals, the money can come very fast. That's how smart online earners make money. Here's the secret most people miss. Don't focus on how fast you make money. Focus on building systems that keep making money. Digital products, freelancing, and flipping can all become repeatable income streams.